Okay, welcome back. This is round 2 of jet skiing in Dubai. I have the GoPro once again, as like the last video. And this is a 2-hour tour this time. Hopefully we'll go to see Atlantis, the Palm, and other parts of Dubai that I haven't really seen. So yeah, this should be really, really fun. Again, because I loved it last time, I wanted to come back, and it's the same company. And I'm actually making a video for him this time, so it's nice. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
I love the way I move differently, homie. When I'm around you, I don't even gotta pray, homie. It's such a shame. Usually I'm cool,
This is spectacular. Back on the jet ski today. Incredible. And this is the Burj Al Arab. Hotel next to it. Got my little friend here. Wow. Jebia! Kick in the back end now, boy! This is amazing, guys. If you haven't seen this before, that's the Burj Al Arab. That's Dubai Marina. There's a little cruise ship, or a little yacht, should we say. They're crazy. You got the entirety of Dubai Marina there, and obviously Burj Al Arab and stuff. It's crazy out here. I've been hitting some waves, we've been smashing it, but this is crazy. Never would have thought that this is mad. Oh, he's got a little friend. Oh, that's so cool. That was cool, well done. Even better. Thanks, bro. So we are out on the jet skis, as you can see, and I'm with my main man, the guy that hooks me up with all this, and yeah, I've got the GoPro on the head, so you'll see clips from the GoPro. My hair is a mess because of the wind and stuff, but it's just beautiful out here on the ocean, chilling. Like, it's mad. There's a bird Al Arab in the background. This doesn't get any better than this, does it? Say hello to the vlog. Yeah, so this is Nemo Water Sports, and if you ever come to Dubai, check out Nemo Water Sports. This guy's a legend, so it's incredible. And I'll show you the views of literally the entire place and the Prince's Island. That's where the Prince lives, right there. The Prince lives right there. So, wow. So this is the Prince's boat, apparently. That's incredible. And he has another 2 boats over there as well. This is Sheikh Mohammed's island. It's incredible. He's got closer. Just done the speed limit of 41 around here. Nice. Kilometers an hour, that is. So if you want to talk about that, 41 kilometers an hour. This has literally been the best day ever.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sea, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of...
Okay guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today it's moving day here in Dubai. I'm staying an extra week, so I have to move out of this apartment, this one right here. I've got all my stuff packed up, and I have to move out of this apartment and move into a brand new apartment, which I shall show you guys in today's video. This video will also include some jet skiing stuff and just random bits and pieces of me on beaches and stuff, okay? But this is the last view that I'm gonna ever get of this place. I'm gonna open the door so you can have a little look. But yeah, this is the last view of the outside world on the 90th floor of a building. I have to move upon building. That building is madness. And they're down on this one cleaning, as you can see the little things out. They're cleaning windows, I don't know what they're doing. But yeah, this is the last time I'm ever going to see this apartment. I'm definitely going to stay here again. This won't be the last time that I stay at this apartment building. It's actually been incredible for the last 2 weeks. Yes, I've been here for 2 weeks. So what? Mad. But yeah, I'm going to go now, and you can follow me on my adventure to my next apartment. So yeah. This is a very weird car. I love the wheels on it. Like the paintwork. Look at the paintwork. It's like a. It's all just swelled up though. So that's all still brand new. You've got the key sitting in there as well. And you come over here. You got the Bentley. This monster of a beast. Look at this. That's madness, isn't it? It's crazy. It's a super sport version. You know. So Bentley Super Sport version. And then you got the Shelby GT 50th anniversary edition of the Shelby GT, which looks incredible actually. Wow, look at this. You got the prancing horse. 50th anniversary. You got the blue light in the door mirrors. The dial up here. Blue in the cup holders. Automatic as well. This car is a beast. Looks so good. You got the Shelby Snake, Super Snake, in the embroidered in the headrests. I'm never gonna do this again, so I might as well make the most of this. Oh, look, the lights come on when you open the doors. That's pretty cool. 50th anniversary grill. Front. Look at those lights though. Those lights are mad, menacing. And you got this beast. I believe this is the Pro. So V8 bi-turbo GT, GTR Pro, I believe. Yeah. Is it a Pro? I'm not sure. I don't know whether it's a Pro or not. Whoa. It's like being in like a spaceship cockpit. You got all the carbon fibre. Got miles, how many miles you got? About 12,000 miles. That's done little miles. This car over here. This is my dad's dream car. It's Bentley Continental GT. It's a GT3 RS, GT3R. You got the carbon fibre mirror caps, look at that. All carbon fibre. See if we can get this one. Oh, we can. Look at this. Oh wow. You got the entire carbon door. I love this, that's carbon fibre. Got the Bentley clock in the middle, that's pretty cool. And you got the door. This is a very nice super fast as well. Blacked out super fast. It's kind of what you want really, a blacked out super fast. That's mad, look at that in there. Blacked out super fast. Then they're cleaning the McLaren 720S. You know, they've got to make it perfectly look clean. You got an SVJ over here. Another SVJ over here. Oh wait, another SVJ over there. Oh wait, look, there's another SVJ in front of that. And there is another SVJ and another SVJ. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 SVJs in one line. Now if you couldn't get any more money than that, I don't know what it does. Well, that's an SV, that's not an SVJ, that's an SV. But there is the SVJ there, you can see the red line for the J. And you know, this beast. That's a Lamborghini. I think this is the one with the golden doors on it. Yeah, like the doors go up in this one, look. Completely. Crazy. Diesel. Never really sat in a 720 before. I don't know where the freaking door handle is. Where is the door handle for these? I think it's like here. Yeah, look at that. That's a weird door. That's madness. All lights up inside. Don't want to push it too far because I don't want to hit this car, but just look at that. You got that little bit of dash, all the yellow interior, that's just madness. You got this Lamborghini. And you got this Lamborghini. Then you got this Lamborghini, and I'm actually intrigued by this Lamborghini. This is one of 63 FVJs Aventadors. One. This is number one. And look at it. It has the 63 paintwork on it. The wheels have got the bronze calipers, the FVJ logo, 68 on the side and everything. This is one car. That's madness, isn't it? To think. What? Madness. You can sit inside these ones and stuff. It's nice. It's nice to sit in here, to be fair. He's starting up that Rolls Royce right there. He started that up. But it's so nice. It's a very nice Lamborghini as well. Got the Lamborghini stitching, all Lamborghini logo, the emblem, Sim Park. How many miles has it got? It's only got 15,000 kilometers on it. That's mad. That is brand spanking new. That's madness. And all this leather. You got all the backrests and stuff. But this one's still got the plastic on the screen. It's a brand new Hurricane Evo. There is what? You got the key for the Hurricane. Look at that.